Hello everyone, good day from China and welcome to my live broadcast. Yes, I'm Ida from INGC Metallurgical Materials Company, and very happy to see all of you again. Yes, and today we are going to talk about one of the most widely used ferroalloys in the steel industry. Yes, the ferromanganese. For the ferromanganese, if you work in steel making, foundry, trading, or alloy procurement, this is definitely your everyday alloy. Yes, the ferromanganese. And so during the next hour, I will introduce what the ferromanganese is, why steel plants must use it, and the different grades like high carbon ferromanganese, medium carbon ferromanganese, and low carbon ferromanganese, and how it's produced in China. How to judge the quality of the ferromanganese and the price trends of the ferromanganese, and the packaging, shipping, and export information. And in the end, we will do a uh, little question and answer. So if you have any questions during the stream, feel free to type them in the chat. Yes, leave your comments. And okay, we will start. Now it's the first part. It's the first part. Yes. So what is ferromanganese? What is ferromanganese? It's a ferroalloy mainly made of manganese and iron. Yes, just like its name, ferromanganese. And it's mainly used for dioxidizing, de separating and improving the mechanical performance of steel. Yes, it's mainly used in uh, making steel. And there are three very common types. The three very common types suggest like the according to the carbon content. The first is the high carbon ferromanganese. The high carbon ferromanganese uh, have just like its name, it has high carbon. Its manganese content is around 65 to 75%, and the carbon content is around 6 to 8 percent. Yes, this is the most widely used product. Yes, the high carbon ferromanganese is the most widely used product in ferromanganese. And the second is the medium carbon ferromanganese. The medium carbon ferromanganese, its carbon around is around uh, 1 to 2%, and its manganese around also 75 to 8 for 80%. Yes, and the last is the low carbon ferromanganese. For the low carbon ferromanganese, its manganese around 80 to 85%, and carbon less than uh, 1 1%. So there are three. So there are three very common types of the ferromanganese: the high carbon, medium carbon, low carbon ferromanganese, and the different steel plants choose different types depending on their steel grade. Yes. Hi, Fiona. Hi, Luna. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. And my topic today is ferromanganese. If you also interested in it, welcome to talk with me. Leave your comment or uh, listen to me. And then we will turn to the next part. Yes, the next part is why do steel plants need ferromanganese? Maybe someone will also be curious about it. So why is ferromanganese so important? First, it's a strong dioxidizer. Yes, the ferromanganese is a strong dioxidizer, and it removes the oxygen in molten steel and improves the purity. It's very important. And second, it's neutralize sulfur, which helps avoid brightness. It's, okay, let's continue. And I just shared the uh, two reasons for why its pheromone is so important. The first is it's a strong dioxidizer, and it removes oxygen in molten steel and improves the purity. Second, it can uh, neutralize the sulfur. Yes, will help avoid the brightness of the steel. And the third reason is even a small amount of manganese can increase hardness and strength. Yes, so ferromanganese is used in almost all steel products, such as the rebar, construction steel, machinery steel, automotive steel, casting stainless steel. and mm, can see you name it manganese is inside. And then how uh, we just understand the what is the manganese and why is so important. Now we turn to the next part. The part 3. How is the ferromanganese produced? How is the ferromanganese produced? Let me show you the production process. And in China, ferromanganese is mainly produced in submerged arc furnace. The submerged arc furnace is where mix manganese or coke lime and other materials, put them into the furnace, and melt them at high temperature. Separate slag, then cast core, crush, and screen. Yes, and at our factory, the Unveiling factory, we have a strict quality control. Yes, we have a strict quality control, stable furnace temperature, low impurity control, and manganese content stability, green size consistency, and this ensures the product is very stable for steel plants. If you want to, uh, if you want to check the production price, welcome to leave a comment or welcome to visit our factory to check the detailed production process. Yes, and check the production equipment, the uh, strict quality control. And for the manganese, and we just know it uh, have three common types. And for its specification and packaging, let me share it with you. Our standard size options are 10 to 50 millimeters. Yes, it's the standard size, and 10 to 100 millimeters. Uh, you can also choose the customized size. Yes, but please let me know. Let us know first, and we will check if it's feasible with our factory. But always we uh, introduce our standard size for our customer. And for the pheromones packaging, the standard packaging is 1 ton big bags. Yes, the jumbo bag, and it contains 1,000 kilogram of pheromones, and it has inner waterproof lining, and you can also choose the palette available. Uh, Bulk shipment is also okay. Uh, of course, but always the first standard packaging is the one-ton big bags. So if you need the palette, please let me know when you inquiry. Yes, and before shipment, we provide the shipping documents such as the COA. Yes, the test reports, the photos of the uh, production, and the photos uh, before shipping, and the videos and well know China is the world's largest producer of pharmacies, and in China, well know the price mainly depends on about five elements. Yes, the first is the manganese ore. Yes, the first. The second is the electricity cost, the steel demand and export orders and production rate of finances. Yes, um, as for today's market, the price range is around it's around okay. You can if you uh, if you are also interested in Chinese pheromones price, welcome to leave your comment, leave your inquiry, and for the accurate price, we will send the complete quotation sheet to you. You can check it for uh, you can check it for evaluation. And actually, usually for the high carbon manganese, it mainly follows the manganese ore prices, and while the medium carbon and the low carbon manganese are influenced by uh, electrolytic manganese price. Yes, the manganese uh, electrolytic manganese price. It will influence the medium carbon and low carbon manganese. And for the application of the ferromanganese, uh, it's used in well known. It's used in making steels, but uh, uh, such as structural steel, alloy steel, casting, stainless steel, and carbon steel. Basically, unwear steel strength or sulfur control is needed. So, ferromanganese is ferromanganese is definitely your everyday alloy. And maybe someone will have a question how to judge quality. How to judge quality? So, when buying our manganese, you should check the first is the manganese content, then about the impurity, such as the carbon, the phosphorus, the sulfur. Yes, and for green size distribution, the metallurgical luster and batch stability and the packaging conditions. This terms is important for you to judge the quality. You can also choose the third-party institution to help you check them. And I want to see we offer is on our Jinxing factory. We offer stable manganese content and low impurities for long-term fires. So we also support your third party inspections. We will provide the test report, the photos of its productions, and the photos of packaging for you to check them. And usually we choose the load port is Tianjin port and Qingdao port, and we can provide the export documents include the commercial invoice, packing list, bill of loading, and the test reports. Yes, or if you choose the third-party inspections, we will also cooperate with them for your specification. And please rest uh, and anyway, our loading team has more than uh, 15 years of export experience. So if you choose us to cooperate, and please rest. And our customers will choose us to cooperate for long time, because at our company at Unveiling we offer more than 18 years production and exporting experience. Yes, and directly price, consistent quality, fast shipment, and flexible payment options, and full documentation support. Our customers include mills and traders from many countries. If you are also interested in ceremonies, if you are also need it, welcome to leave your inquiry or leave your comments. And just have a try to check the Chinese ceremonies. Yes, and let me share our uh, factory videos with you. You can check it directly to see the videos, to see the factory. Okay, now our video is of our factory is over. So if you want to check it again, then uh, I will share it with you. But please leave your comment or leave your inquiry. And now I want to do the next part, and I want to share with you our article about the strategic value of high carbon ferromanganese in global infrastructure development, technical advantages, and the market dynamics. This is also about the ferromanganese. Just want to share it with you. So just like we said before, the high carbon ferromanganese maintains its pivotal role as the workhorse alloy in global infrastructure development, proving particularly indispensable in the manufacturing of reinforcing steel and heavy structural components. With a robust composition of 70 to 80% manganese and 6 to 80% carbon. This ferroalloy delivers the essential synergistic combination of significant strengths, enhancement, and effective impurity control that modern large-scale construction projects critically demand. The alloys metallurgical capability to improve yield strength by 25 to 40% while maintaining adequate ductility and toughness make it invaluable in applications ranging from seismic resistant structures and bridge construction to heavy load bearing industrial facilities and high-rise buildings. The production process of high-carbon ferromanganese has undergone substantial technological upgrades in recent years, enhancing both economic and environmental performance. Modern submerged arc furnaces now achieve specific energy consumption of 2,300 to 2,600 uh, ki, 千瓦时 per ton of alloy produced, representing a significant 15% improvement over traditional operations. Advanced gas recovery and cleaning systems capture and purify up to 85% of process emissions, primarily the 一氧化碳。which can be reused as fuel within the plant or for power generation, contributing to more sustainable production practices. Computerized charge control systems continuously maintain op- optimal ore-to-coke ratios, ensuring consistent manganese recovery rates of 82 to 88% throughout extended production campaigns, and thereby maximizing resource utilization. And market analysis and market analysis indicates sustained growth in global high-carbon ferromanganese consumption, particularly driven by developing economies undergoing rapid urbanization. Southeast Asian nations have increased their high-carbon ferromanganese imports by 23% year-over-year, while large-scale African infrastructure projects have driven an 18% demand growth. Furthermore, the continued expansion and modernization of global railway networks, particularly those associated with China's Belt and Road Initiative project, continues to stimulate specialty steel production that requires a reliable and high-quality high-carbon ferromanganese supply. Price volatility has moderated through 2025, with the standard grade high-carbon ferromanganese maintaining a stable range of about $1,150 to $1,350 per metric ton FOB main Chinese ports, providing predictability for project budgeting. And Zincin Metallurgical's high-carbon ferromanganese production incorporates several proprietary innovations that set industry benchmarks. Our optimists like density control, maintaining a 氧化钙二氧化硅比例 of 1.4 to 1.6 minimizes manganese content in slag to below 66%, directly enhancing yield. The implementation of raw material preheating systems reduce overall energy consumption by a further 12 to 15%. Each production batch is accompanied by comprehensive documentation, including detailed chemical analysis certificates, process size, distribution certification, and full traceability information back to raw material sources, ensuring transparency and quality assurance for our customers. Yes, this is the article uh, in our website about the pheromones. Just share it with you. If you are also interested in other pheromones topic article or other pheromones knowledges, welcome to check uh, our website, the www.zexploralogy.com, to check our productions introduction, such as the pheromones or today's topic. Also, you can check other materials, such as the nitride alloy, calcium alloy, alloy coated wire, ferrosilicon, ferrochrome, and other products. For the nitride alloy, actually we provides the silicon nitrate, ferrochrome nitrate, silicon-manganese nitrate, and the ferrosilicon nitrate, nitrate ferromanganese. And for the calcium alloy, it's about it includes the calcium metal and the calcium silicon. For the alloy called wear, there are also the calcium called wear, calcium iron called wear, calcium silicon called wear, and carbon called wear. Just if you are finding the alloy called wear, welcome to leave your inquiry, leave your comment uh, in our website and to get the price, the introduction, and other information of the production. Welcome to leave your inquiry. And for the ferrosilicon and ferromanganese also are also popular. Uh, are also popular in our customer. And for the ferrochrome, it's also important. Uh, we Now we have a new production about the ferrochrome. It has a lower gas content and the high purity. Uh, and the high purity is far from. So if you are interested in it, you can also check the introduction of this production in our website, and you can also to send the email or leave your inquiry to contact us to get the information or other uh, production information that you need. Yes, pheromones is in the top of other products. You can click it to find the pheromones page. And in this page, you can also to get the pheromones specification, the SGS test report. Yes, the third party inspection of the pheromones in this pheromones page, and the three types of pheromones uses, the detailed uses, and the link of the pheromones videos, the pheromones videos uh, in the YouTube. And the preparation method of pheromones. So if you are interested in this production, welcome to contact us directly or just check our website to get the information that you need. And besides the pheromones, in the other product terms, you can also find the silicon-manganese, electrolytic manganese metal, silicon metal, and ferrovanadium, ferromolybdenum, ferronucleum, ferronickel, ferrophosphorus, means the ferrosilicon, inoculant, nodularizer, high carbon silicon, silicon carbide, carbon razor, manganese ingots, white aluminum oxide powder, and other products. Also, if you also need materials of about the ferroalloy, you can also leave your production you are finding just to try it, and maybe we can provide the provide you a good choice. Okay, that's some materials we can provide in our website, and now maybe and now welcome to watch our faster videos to check it again. Okay, now let's continue to introduce the pheromones. This is a article about the pheromones in modern steel making, critical functions and innovative application and market insights 2025. Share it with you. The pheromone stands as a cornerstone of modern steel production, serving dual indispensable roles as a powerful oxidizer and a crucial alloying additive. This fundamental ferroalloy, primarily composed of manganese and iron, profoundly enhances the mechanical properties of steel, including tensile strength, hardness, toughness, and wear resistance. The metallurgical process involves the smelting of manganese ore with carbon-rich reductants and in submerged aqua furnaces where temperature exceeds 1,600 Celsius 摄氏度 to ensure complete reduction of manganese oxide and the formation of homogeneous alloy. And at Ion Junction Metallurgical, we have pioneered the specialized production protocols for three primary pharma grades, each engineered for specific steelmaking application. Um, for the high-carbon pheromones, its key characteristic and primary application is the cost-effective, ideal for general carbon steel production, its construction rigor and structural sections. For medium carbon pheromones, its balanced carbon content used in manufacturing of forged components, machinery parts, and higher-grade structural steels. And for the low-carbon pheromones, it's essential for high-grade, low-carbon steels, automotive advanced high-strength steels, and stainless steel production. The global pharma market has demonstrated remarkable resilience amidst fluctuating raw material costs and supply chain dynamics. In 2024, prices have stabilized within a predictable range about uh, about 1,100 to 1,300 per metric tons for high-carbon pheromones, and 1,500 to 1,500 to 1,700 per ton for low-carbon pheromones. It's for FOB China. This stability is largely attributed to macro global supply chains. For supply chains and continuous technological advancements in smelting efficiency, which have optimized energy consumption and improved recovery rates. Major consuming nations, including China, India, and South Korea, continue to drive robust demand, particularly for high-purity, low-carbon low-carbon varieties used in sophisticated automotive steel and critical infrastructure projects. And our integrated quality assurance system implements rigorous ISO certified procedures throughout the entire production life cycle. Each batch undergoes comprehensive chemical analysis using state-of-the-art optical emission spectrometry to verify strict composition consistency. Furthermore, physical, physical properties, including customizable particle size distribution, tend to 100 millimeters. Both density and precise melting characteristics are subjected to rigorous testing protocols. This ensure optimal performance, predictable dissolution behavior, and enhanced efficiency in our customers' steelmaking operations, ultimately contributing to superior final product quality and reduced processing costs. Yes, this is for the harmonies in modern steelmaking, the critical functions, innovative application, and market insights. This article. Okay, that's about our uh, okay, that's our little broadcast about the Magnus. And if you have any questions about Magnus, such as the price, the specification, the shipment, or the MOQ, please feel free to ask me now. You can also leave your inquiry in our website or leave a comment in the comment area to contact us. Whenever we notice your inquiry, we will reply to you as soon as possible. Yes, and then okay, and then thank you so much for watching today's live season. If you want a detailed price list, COA or quotation, just send me a message again. And yeah, we'll see you in the next live stream. Bye bye. Bye bye.